Hello, what's the question? Followers. Welcome to our channel. How to make QR code for you in this video. We will explain the subject. Have a good time. Step 1. Select a QR code generator. There are tons of QR code generators out there. The best ones give you many options for using your QR code and compatibility with most mobile QR code reader apps. Other things to look for when choosing a QR code generator are whether you can track and analyze performance, and if it allows you to design a code that's unique to your brand. Some QR codes, for example, display logos and other icons within the code that immediately tell people what information they 1. Kaiwa. To GeoQR 3 free QR code generator by Shopify. For Visualead. The QRCODE-generator.com. Six QR Stuff. Seven QR-code-generator.com. Eight QR Code Monkey. Nine. Create QR code by Google App Engine. Step 2. Choose the type of content you're promoting. Let's select one of the QR code generators above and do a walkthrough together. I'll select QR-code-generator.com, one of the 8 preferred QR code generators above. First, select what type of content you want your QR code to show the person after they scan it. You can choose from one of 10 types, as shown in the screenshot below. For our purposes, we'll promote a URL that directs users to our podcast. Step 3. Enter your data in the form that appears. Once you select the type of content you're promoting with this QR code, a field or form will appear where you can enter the information that corresponds with your campaign. If you want your QR code to save contact information, for example, you'll see a set of fields where you can enter your email address, subject line, and associated message. To save a link to our podcast, we'll simply enter the URL in the field that appears, like so. Step 4. Consider downloading a dynamic QR code. See the option below for dynamic? One significant pitfall to making a QR code is that you can't edit the data it contains once you print it. But with dynamic QR codes, you can edit this data. Dynamic QR code generator with a free membership to QR code generators like QR-code-generator.com, you can print a dynamic QR code, scan it, and pull up an editable form where you can modify the data your visitors will receive when they scan the QR code themselves. The fun part of creating QR codes is customizing the design of the codes to your brand. Want your code to look like your logo? Go for it. Want it to reflect your website's design scheme? No problem. Using QR-code-generator.com, we can customize our QR code by clicking the button to the top right, as shown in the screenshot below. Keep in mind not every QR code maker offers this design option. Depending on the QR code you're looking to generate, you might find some tools limited in their functionality. Of course, you can customize your QR code further, adjusting the colors, adding a logo, creating social options, and more. Keep in mind, however, that some customizations can make it more difficult for QR code scanning apps to properly read the code. It's a good idea to generate 2 versions of your QR code, one plain version and another with your preferred design. Step 6. Test the QR code to make sure it scans. Because a customized QR code can make it difficult for some mobile apps to read, don't forget to check to see if the QR code reads correctly, and be sure to try more than just one reader. A good place to start is the free tool Google Goggles, which takes a picture and then tells you what link or item it reads to. Another great free tool is QR Code Reader, which automatically takes you to whatever it reads. Apple's Passbook also offers a built-in QR code reader on iOS 7, so you should test to make sure your code is readable there, as well. Step 7. Share and distribute the QR code. A QR code won't be able to do its job unless it's seen. So make sure you come up with a distribution plan for sharing the code. This could include displaying it on social media, in print ads, on clothing, or in physical locations where people will pick up their phones to scan it. Along with sharing the code, you might also want to include text instructions in your various promotions that show less tech-savvy people how to scan it. This way there's no friction if people want to scan a code but don't know how to. Step 8. Track and analyze performance. Just like any marketing campaign, you should follow up on any collateral or campaigns using QR codes to see whether they're actually working. How much traffic comes from each specific code? Are people scanning your code but not redeeming their offer once they get to the landing page? Or are they not even compelled enough to scan your QR code? Knowing this will help you troubleshoot and adjust your poorly performing QR codes to more closely mirror those that work well. I recommend you include a UTM tracking code on your URL so you can better measure performance. This is particularly important if you use closed-loop marketing analytics and are used to more in-depth reporting on your campaigns. Thank you for watching us. You can subscribe to the continuation of such videos. You are valuable to us. What's the question? Goodbye to see you this much next video on your channel.